Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an item on wishlist on Lululemon account. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, open a web browser and type in lululemon.com in it. Press enter on your keyboard and make sure to log into your account by entering your email and password. Now, if you're planning your next shopping spree or keeping tabs on must-haves, then the Lululemon Wishlist is a handy feature. If you find anything while scrolling through Lululemon's homepage and you'd like to add it on your wishlist token so that you can buy it or purchase it later, then simply go ahead and find the product and click it open. You can now review the product by a closer look with the help of the images. Once you are done reviewing the product, if you want to add it to the wish list, click on this Add to Wishlist option. After reviewing the product, make sure to select the size and color of the product and click on Add to Wishlist. Once you do that, the item now will be available inside your wish list. You can go to your wish list anytime you want and get to your wish list, review your product by visiting this wish list section. Now you have your personalized Lululemon wish list ready for whenever you are ready to shop. So that's how you can easily add an item on wish list on Lululemon account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.